much portion in all the groups. I am recording it. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go in tools, create a stock screen. Okay, I am recording this, so don't worry. So what you have to type is market capitalization. So it will automatically come. You have to select greater than 500, and we are selecting mid cap companies, mostly mid cap and higher. Sales growth 3 years is greater than 10% year over year, and profit growth, oh sorry, profit growth 3 years greater than 30%, and we have ROE 3 years greater than 15%, and ROE for 1 year greater than 15%, and pledged percentage equal to 0. We don't want that the owner should have mortgaged their shares to someone, so that we keep pledge percentage equal to 0. Okay, everyone okay? So far so good. So you can go in screener. I'll upload this recording. I'm recording this portion. How you can go in screener, I'll share in the all financial fitness groups how you can go and write this query. So you can just copy, run this query, and here you have all the companies which are good, which are growing year over year with a good growth rate. So you have all these companies. You have to go and you have to do analysis, further analysis. I'll teach you this. Okay, I will upload the query in the financial fitness group, in all groups, don't worry. How many of you recognize this Dixon technology? How many of you have been hearing this Dixon technology for quite some time now? Can I have yes? Yes, and Dixon. Yes, see, just by typing the query, by a click of button, you have Dixon. You have Deepak Nitrite. How many of you know Deepak Nitrite has gone up by almost 3 to 4 times? You have all the good companies you have to do. See, you have around 2000 companies. By click of a button, you can have the 50 good companies immediately. You have to further deep down to find more companies, but this is a quick way to reach to good companies. How many of you think it is easy? How many of you thought it was easy to filter down? So you have this question, right? How to find good companies? How to find good companies? This is the way, and this is the query. If you want, take a screenshot of this. I'll come market capitalization. I'll take one full 1 hour session for explaining market capitalization, and I'll explain this percentage. Rest everything I have explained. Okay. Okay. Take a snapshot. Okay. So you have this, and then once you have this, what do you do? Once you have this, I'll upload this query. Once you have this, okay, I'll just take some more snapshot here, and once you have this query, what you do is okay, this is the query. You do shortlisting. Okay, now what happened? Okay, now this, then you have to write down. See, this is not a shortcut now. There is no easy money. Once you have this 50 shares, 50 shortlisted shares, you have to do this analysis. Believe me, guys, if you skip this step, what I am telling you, you are not doing justice for fundamental analysis. Then don't call yourself as a fundamental analyst. Okay, if you stick only to numbers and don't do this, what I am showing you, then don't call yourself analyst and all. You have to do this analysis. What you have to write down is what is the core business of the company. So select one company, write down what is the core business of the company. What is the current capacity, available capacity, future expansion plans, expenditure. All you will get from their financial reports. Expected growth rate of the sector, value addition to the customers from core business, why they are different, why do you think the company will grow in future. So you have to write it down, write. There is no escape, guys. You have to do this, otherwise you will not find a good company. Otherwise you will keep on asking in all WhatsApp group, which company should I buy, which company should I buy. But you are here for a financial freedom, not financial dependence. You cannot ask people what to buy. You can do analysis and then buy. So you have to do what is the core business, current capacity, expected growth rate of the sector, value addition to customer from core business, why they are different. Why do you think the company will grow in future? Why do you think there is a possibility of expansion of the company? What is the moat for the business? Moat means why the company is having a solid base of customer, why other competition cannot come and hamper their business. Litigations which may impact company, like Vodafone Airtel, suddenly there was a ruling, right? They had to pay a lot of fines, right? And all. Then situations which may impact their company adversely. So you have to write it down. I'll upload this video in the financial fitness group. You can note down this point. Start preparing company after company. You can start preparing this report. From that 70 list, start with first company. How many of you promise me that you will start with one company? How many of, I want a promise. See, I have spent 3 hours with you and we have come to a certain level where you understand the fundamental analysis, but it's all knowledge. Gain knowledge, take action, earn money. If you miss the between part, you will not earn money. You have to promise me you will be doing fundamental analysis, and I'll conduct one session where I will not speak, where the participants who actually do the analysis, they will have to present. They will present and show to the world, yes, they have earned. Right? Yes? How do we get all this? Now, if you go and here, if you go to this screen, let's say, let me click on Dixon Technology. You can open Dixon Technology. Okay, if you go to chat, oh sorry, I'm just opening the chat here. Okay, then if I go, what has happened, why it is hanging? Okay, okay, now if we go down in the screener, go down in the screener, and you will have financial years report here. Can you see the financial report here, financial year reports here? Yes? Okay. Click on that. It will open the report which Dixon has prepared. It's I think how many pages? Okay, it's a beautiful report. They have put a lots of efforts. You should be reading all this. Guys, there is no shortcut to success. You have to read this report. Someone will say, oh, 200 pages. Start with one report. You'll understand how to read other reports also. But you have promised me you'll read all that, and you will get all the 9 points. And someone asked, what is the moat of the business? Moat means what is the strength, why the competition cannot easily take over their customers or easily take over their business. That is the moat of the business. Okay, so you have to read this. How do you get this? You go annual reports, financial year, click, you will get this report. You have to read this report. Okay, so I am stopping this recording.